Hi guys, Aniq here.
Hi guys, Ali here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing the Elgato Camlink 4K over here. So with this, what you do is you connect this thing into your laptop, and then you're able to connect a DSLR through HDMI, and then you're able to use the DSLR instead of your webcam for streaming and other things.
And this also is compatible with both Apple and Windows, so it doesn't matter if you're on something else. So they both work.
Here you guys can see, I think, and here you open it and
so
you can see.
That's how it comes. So this is an extender. So you just plug this in and it gets extended. And this is a sticker from Elgato. And that is...
Let's take this out too. And this is a user's manual.
Yeah.
There's the Camlink. It's pretty small in my hand for comparison. So simply you just get like a mini HDMI, I guess, and put it through to HDMI. And then you connect this to your laptop.
Yeah.
So over here we have this camera over here. You can see it has the mini HDMI over here. So all you have to do is get an adapter to the larger HDMI from this, and you would just plug this into this. And then you would plug this into your laptop, and that would allow you to use it as if it's a webcam, which would give you better video quality and stuff.
Instead of a webcam.
This thing is going to be pretty cool. We can use it for
maybe one of our
videos on our gaming channel and stuff.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
And remember to subscribe to our channel.
And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.